Savannah has been dropping some really cute tops lately and under a budget. So being a Savannah पगलू मुझे तो वो सारे tops लेने ही थे of course. And here I am with a haul so that you don't have to waste your money. And none of them exceeds rupees more than 600 650 समथिंग. कूपन वगैरह लगा करके तुमको ये 600 के अंदर अंडर सारे के सारे मिल जाएंगे. Let's start off with the basic option and one of my favorite colors. I've been obsessed with white color lately. This is the top. This looks so good. This is how it looks like. This is very breathable fabric and of course ये बहुत ही ज़्यादा एक basic piece है जो कि तुम्हारे wardrobe में होना ही होना चाहिए. This size is medium. I got it for rupees 300 390 something and अभी ये sell हो रहा है 590 kind of something. So for 590 I won't say it is worth it for 590 rupees, but अगर आपको 300ish या 400 300 के अराउंड ही आपको मिल रहा है तो you should definitely buy this one. I will rate it straight 4 out of 5. ऑल्सो इट्स वाइट तो ये थोड़ा बहुत सी थ्रू है, आपको बहुत ज़्यादा केयरफुल रहना पड़ेगा. सीमलेस इज योर थिंग फॉर दिस टॉप. Moving on to the next top is this one. I love this top to the core. I love it. The flow of the fabric, the shininess or whatever you call it. Material is really nice. It is really stretchable. White वाला उतना stretchable नहीं था. There is this detailing going on जो कि इस top को थोड़ा सा अलग बनाती है. This is now currently selling for 500 something and मैंने 500 के अंडर ही लिया था. I don't remember. अगर मैं रेटिंग की बात करूँ तो this is straight 5 out of 5. Next one is of course it has to be brown. मेरी वीडियो हो और इसमें कुछ भी brown ना हो, impossible guys. This is the next one. Genuinely it took really long for me to figure this top out. This is how the top looks like. I love it. Of course the neck is a little bit deep but there is this belt kind of thing जो आप थोड़ा सा adjust कर सकते हो. You cannot rely on this totally कि neck पूरा adjust हो जाएगा, no. But still if you are someone who can wear like a little deep necks, so this is really nice option for you. And honestly this is the one top that actually surprised me क्योंकि इसका कपड़ा बहुत अच्छा है. This is also stretchable. The bell sleeves are there जो कि मुझे बहुत पसंद है. I don't know why, क्योंकि मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि एक बहुत अच्छा शेप दे देता है तुम्हारी बॉडी को bell sleeve. Now this is selling for around 700 something but coupons लगा के again तुमको 600 के अंदर ही मिल जाएगा. I personally bought it for rupees 500 something, तो उसके हिसाब से बहुत ही ज़्यादा वर्थ इट है. अगर तुमको 700 800 देना है तो I don't think so. फिट भी इसका बहुत अच्छा है जो तुम अभी ट्राई ऑन में देखना. For the rating part I will rate this top again a straight 5 out of 5. V-neck has always been my thing. Brown color, it has all the things that I like. Before I show this specific top to you guys, I am sure you are really not ready for this. This is again brown color. Of course this is my favorite top in the like whole haul. This one is my favorite, इसीलिए मैं बहुत थोड़ी excited हूँ. This is the top. Look at the fabric. थोड़ा सा again shimmery है but not really shimmery to be precise. This is the size medium. Every top here by the way is size medium. And honestly पता है जब मैं order कर रही थी, this is the top that I add just to get some discount और कूपन लगाने के लिए basically. And yes I do that. The rating part I will rate this of course 5 out of 5. Of course. So this top is currently selling for 592 rupees and I bought it for around 500 something. So this is worth it for 500 rupees I would say. I have been conscious of my arm in my life and I really want to feel wearing sleeveless. कभी कभी मुझे बहुत मन करता है. So उसके लिए I think this is perfect. You get the feeling of wearing sleeveless while not wearing it actually. Moving on to the next one. Next one is something in black. Of course there has to be something in black क्योंकि black is everyone's favorite I guess. This is the top. It is kind of crop. I really love the sleeves part. इसमें rolled sleeves का एक detailing है. Cheap fabric नहीं है I would say. Also अगर आप पे पहन रहे हो तो मैं personally इसको पहनती हूँ with a camisole on. It has this semi-formal vibe which I like. This is totally my style. For the rating part I will rate this top a 4 out of 5. I got it for rupees 600 something. For 600 something और 500 में आपको ये मिल रहा है तो this is the top you should definitely get your hands on. For office, for college wear or any formal informal event you have, उसके लिए एकदम perfect है. Moving on to our last top. This is the last top. I saved the best for the last. This is the top straight out of Pinterest, I would say. This is how the fabric looks like. Back पे इसकी zip है for a better fitting, and this is v-neck, kind of deep, but if you are okay with that, you should definitely try this on too. Fit is really nice, the fabric is really nice, and also you can style it in multiple ways. I got it for rupees 670 something, and currently this is selling for 872 rupees, and I would say you can either wait for the price to come down, or you can just buy it. This is how it looks like, and this is one of my favorites. For the rating part, I will rate this, of course, 5 out of 5 for the color, for the fit, and for the fabric also. And this is it, guys. These were all of the tops that I got. This has to be my number one top out of all. सब में size medium था, and everything जो भी price related जो भी चीजें थी मैंने वो साथ साथ पे तुम्हें बता दी. Still, you guys have any questions or anything, you can write it down in the comment section below. For the links, I will paste it in the description box. Make sure to check the description box once. And this is it, guys. I hope you guys have liked the video, and see you until next time. Bye.